Well, Patrick here at Carolinas today. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of the VertiRack roof-mounted ladder rack. They're one of our sponsors here. VertiRack.com is the address. Very high quality materials here. This is aluminum. My measurement across the top of my roof is 73. They are custom made. But they're 73 inches in length from there all the way to there. Mounting plates, uprights, bag of parts, things to allow stuff to slide on. Anyway, the great quality, great finish on everything. I mean, really nice work. All the mounting hardware you could possibly need and then some. Check them out at VertiRack.com.